Welcome to the channel, everyone. I've got a size 12 hook in the vise with a 3.8 millimeter bead, and I'm just going to give this some lead wraps. That's 015 lead wire. I'm just going to seat that up against the bead. Grab some thread. I used olive 70 denier, and we're just going to secure that lead and then put down a little base coat. Grab an olive Zonker strip and cut it about the length of the hook shank, or whatever you prefer. This fly is going to invert, so you're going to want to make sure you poke the hook through the non-furry side, and we're just going to poke that through, take our fly out of the vise and slide that up into place, and then put our fly back in the vise. Again, this fly is going to invert. Then we'll just move the little Zonker strip forward into place right behind that lead, so we don't have too much of a bump, and we'll just tie that in. Give that a speed tie for you. And then after that, we're going to grab some crystal chenille flashy washankus, tie that in. And then we'll advance our thread forward to just behind the bead. Then we'll use the rotary on our vise and we'll wrap this chenille forward. This is a polar chenille. I'll link it down in the description in case you guys are interested. Tie that in. It's a couple securing wraps. Snip off your excess. Preen everything back. Watch this. This is gonna be awesome. You ready for this? Get ready, get ready. Oh yeah, we're gonna do this spin. Wasn't that awesome? Now, give it a 5-turn whip finish. You could add a little bit of dubbing here if you wanted to give it give a little bit more contrast. 5-turn whip finish, and we'll pull that tight, add a little drop of cement, trim it up, and there we have it. Quick, easy little jig streamer that truly catches fish. Easy to tie, super durable, and fun to fish. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you. Have a blessed day wherever you're at in the world. This is Steve signing out.